channel, guys. What's going on, man? Let's get out of here, man. I had to take some pictures, man. No, guys, not of me. Not of me, okay? I did not give the camera a thrill today, all right? I had to take pictures of the car, man. Y'all know this car was in my Cherokee was in a small little fender bender a while back. Okay, she said somebody ran into the side of her. They was able to pull over and exchange information. But she called me. I told her to wait for the police to get there. Now, guys, everybody know because of COVID-19, a lot of things have changed. Okay, cops don't even want to come out and do accident reports anymore. Okay, if there's nobody hurt or there's no crash involved, okay, they feel you can do that amongst each other. The only problem with that is, what if somebody want to get out of hand, or somebody, who do you blame the fault on? Who's at fault at that point? You really need a police report, and I guess the police becomes the judge because he will determine who's at fault. I don't know how that works, but it's crazy, man. So anyway, they managed to wait till the police get there, and she got the ticket for the accident. So naturally, her insurance company will have to pay. Now it's funny because my wife told me the lady wanted to just exchange information and just go. Okay, no, you don't know what's going through people's head. You don't know what people have planned for stuff like that. So the cops got there and did what they did. Now things have changed. Things have changed so much. In fact, as it relates to the actual accident, even that has changed. Okay, I guess I don't even have to take the car to the shop and get an estimate. I guess an insurance adjuster is not coming out. The thing it has changed to the point, guys, to where everything is virtual, I want to say, because they sent me this thing on the phone, an app. I have to take pictures of the damage, upload it to them, and I guess they're gonna give an estimate through the pictures. I guess that can be accomplished. That's doable, but to me, that's a disadvantage to them. Okay, there's also some other dents on this car that if I was not honest, I could add to that. But I'm sure on the police report, the police circle, the spot where the accident occurred or what was damaged. So it would be crazy of me to try to force that into the estimate. But it could also be your word against mine. It's just the typical way of doing business has changed, guys. All because of this crazy little virus that's going around now. Do not belittle the virus, guys. Do whatever you're doing. If you haven't contracted it, do whatever it is you're doing to continue not to contract it, because it can be fatal. Now, I will say this. I say this all the time. It is not a death sentence. Just because you get it doesn't mean you're going to die. A lot of people are recovering from it, but nobody wants to know if they will recover, okay? I'm not going to sit here and think, oh, I'm healthy, I would never catch it, or I would be all right if I caught it. No! I'm still going to do whatever I need to do to prevent from catching it, okay? If wearing a mask will help me not contract it, yes, I will wear a mask, wash your hands, all that good stuff. Everything that, now, to a certain extent, okay? I tend to use common sense a lot, okay, guys? So, up to a certain extent will I do what's suggested to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. But the point of this video is to point out that everything is changing around our day-to-day life. What happened to the insurance adjuster? What happened to me taking a wrecked car to a body shop and getting an estimate? Are those days slowly leaving, slowly gone? I'm gonna say this while I'm on this topic. COVID-19 has brought out a lot of, have exposed a lot of business. The company that my wife worked for, she started working from home when COVID showed up. This company now do not want to pay for the building they was leasing to, store their employees. They like, we just found out we didn't even really need to pay all this lease payment on this big building when everybody is doing the same thing that they was doing from the comfort of their home. So, like I say, it has exposed a lot of things to the good. From that standpoint, but I don't know about this whole virtual. I guess adjusting, because guys, let's keep it real. They come out with a camera, they talk to you a little bit, they want to see this, they want to hear that. But the biggest part of their whole arsenal is a freaking camera. Now, everybody has a camera equipped on their cell phone nowadays. So, does that make everybody a freaking adjuster? It's hard to say from that standpoint. But, I'm going to do what they say. I'm going to take pictures of the accident, upload it to them inside this little app thingy that they sent, and we're going to go from there. All right? I don't know how they can tell the extent of the damage as far as frame. I'm going to make sure I take real good pictures. If there's any frame damage, you're going to see it, okay? And depending on how I'm feeling, will I squeeze those other dents in there? I ain't saying that on air for, 14,000 subscribers to see. That's not what I'm doing. I am honest. I'm an honest mechanic. But the temptation is there, guys. I ain't going to lie. But no, that's not right. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be a crook. Do the right thing. JT, do the right thing. All right, guys. I'm here at work. I tend to fire the camera up and chat, but I had to stop and take pictures of the damage, so I figured I'd speak on it. Man, what is becoming of the automotive industry due to COVID-19? A lot, guys. I'm not going to say the shop is dead, there's no business, because we're still getting business. In fact, we had a real good month last month. We had a meeting 2 days ago to explain the decent, real good month we had. Yes, everybody made some money last month. We all did. But they talking about it's about to get worse. No, nobody knows, man. So you just live your day-to-day life as if, as if you normally do, okay? And the chips will fall where they may. All right. So guys, I'm here at work now. So I wish I can turn the camera around. Yeah, y'all know how the place look. They still building this construction. In fact, guys, let me show y'all some of the constructions. It's pretty amazing, man, how they building this stuff. I'm glad y'all brought that up. Or I'm glad I brought that up. It don't matter who brought it up. Let's get it done. I want to show y'all some of this footage of this construction work. Let me turn this camera around. All right, guys, y'all see that big old crane? Oh, it's way in the sky. That's what they use to put up sections of, I guess, the building. I don't think I want to go over there. I don't want nothing to fall on my car and crush me. Don't. So I'm not going that close. But look at that, guys. They already put up those 4 blocks. That's part of the building. I guess they finna pick that up. I might set a camera up in the shop. Just let it run for 8 hours and what they call it when they go fast? They make the footage go fast. Time lapse it. See, he finna grab that chunk of slab right there and pick it up and put it in its place. I don't know, guys. We got a whole nother year before this is done. But that's all I have, man. Let me get out of here. I'm at work and I'm late. Shame on you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.